Hi and welcome to the TechNice channel. Today I'll show you how to type the degree symbol on a laptop. First we'll begin with using the character map. So go to Windows and search for character map. It will then open in a new window, and here you will search for degree, and there it comes. Then you press it, click the button select, and then copy. Then you can go to your Word documents or whatever you want to write it and press Ctrl V. That will paste it in. You can also press right click and paste. Next we move over on how to type the degree symbol with a keyboard shortcut. Note that this is only possible if you have a number pad. I've connected this external keyboard to the laptop, and what you do is you hold your Alt key and then you press on the number pad 248 and release, and this will give you the degree symbol. Or you can also do the other combination, which is Alt 0176 and release, and that will also give you the degree symbol. If you look here, I tried up here, hold down Alt 2, that didn't work. Yeah, always here, that didn't work.